Hello lovely people, I'm going to do something simple today. I had some beef, some ginger garlic paste, some of the spices. You got cloves, cinnamon sticks and some peppercorn, some flaked sea salt. Over here I've got some olive oil, some white wine vinegar, about three Kashmiri red chili, half a lime, a tomato, a little bit of Worcester sauce. Very simple today. Simple, quick and easy. I want you to try it because if that's what you've got, you can knock out an amazing dish out of it. So what I'm going to do is marinate the beef with a little bit of salt, Worcester sauce, ginger garlic paste, add the lime on top of it, and just leave it for 5 minutes, and I'll take you to the next step. That's salt, pepper already added. Ginger garlic goes in. A little bit of Worcester sauce. And add the white wine vinegar to it. And half a lime. Squeeze it on top. That's it. Just make sure you apply the ginger garlic to it. Mix it nicely and just leave it for a couple of minutes. Till I take you to the next level. I've got the meat marinating for a few minutes now, about 3-4 minutes now. The next step is you'll require a pressure cooker. Makes your job 10 times easier and faster. So all that will require is the olive oil, go into it, crush the chilies, the spices and the onions, fry it together, and then add the tomato. Chop the tomato, add the tomato to it, and just saute it for another minute or two. I'll show you next. The beef that was marinating, I've added now to the sauteed onion and the spices. I would add a little bit more water to it because the meat will release its juices anyway into it. But as it's a pressure cooker, you don't want it to be dry, so because it would start burning. Add a little bit of water. Just allow it to give it a little bit, simmer it, and then we'll put the lid on top of it, and we'll cook it on a very low heat for at least 30 minutes, and I'll show you what I do next after that.